Okay, folks. So what we're going to be doing here is creating the main body, the first part on the TMA Competition Speed handle. So we're talking about this outside shape where it doesn't have any straight edges, doesn't have any nodes, nothing really to start with easily. I'm doing this in Fusion 360, but Inventor it's going to be similar. I like to start this with 3 circles. And I am of the rough it in first and dimension later persuasion. Now, on the print, everything's listed in radiuses because it's not a complete circle when you finish. But obviously here we're drawing complete circles, so it's a diameter to radius thing. It's dimensioned as a radius in the print, so you've got to double your radii to get them to work on the on this. You know, when you're actually using the dimension key, it's doing it in diameter. 3 1.150 circles, all in a line with each other. One is obviously centered on there. Then additionally, I am going to put a couple of lines in here, kind of as construction lines. They're not actually on the part, but I put them in just so that I can keep that center circle locked down. 116 between there, and then I'm going to do, you know what, I'm just going to do another dimension here. And that one is 4.366. Oh, it can still float up and down, so I'm going to get another line in there. All right, so after I've got these 3 circles, the next thing I need to do is I need to put in either 4 more circles or I've got to do 4 more arcs. I really prefer to do this in circles, simply because I find it's easier to lock the tangents down and move everything the way I want, but you could also do this with arcs. So the first thing we got to do is get these sizes listed. Again, they're listed as radiuses on the print. So the first one is 2.625. Second one, same. Third. And 3.5. All right, so now once I've got these circles in here, I'm just going to use my tangent constraint to start locking these things into position. Oh boy, hang on, go backwards. That was not intentional. That was the concentric constraint. Tangent constraint, here to here, clicks in, here to here, clicks in. Again, a little bit of repetitive action, but it does get you what you need. All right, so everything's black, everything's locked down. So what that means is it's all good to go. I'm going to use the trim tool to get rid of a lot of extraneous lines. You're going to see extra lines in places where you don't want them simply because the dimensioning for the circles is still visible. And that one, there. Okay, I believe that is absolutely everything there. Hit the Finish Sketch button. And we need to extrude it a distance of 0.750. All right, that's your basic shape.